Look how nicely this is packaged. Aw, how cool. This is my awesome prize. I'll have to open it up to show you the things inside better, but thank you, Christiana. Here are the goodies that were in my cute basket. Dance in the Rain from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good. This candle that's called Summer Storm, and that smells really good too. And this awesome duct tape rose pen. Thank you so much. I'm so excited I won these. I'm definitely going to use them. Thank you.